Dollylocks Professional Organic Dreadlock Tightening Spray. A unique blend of moisture balancing and soothing ingredients makes this all-in-one pH balance spray a must for all dreadlocks. Organic coconut water, Hawaiian sea salt, and vitamins help to tighten dreadlocks, strengthen hair, and assist in dandruff prevention. Reduce the amount of loose frizzy hair while increasing scalp hydration and nourishing your dreadlocks. Organic aloe vera juice will help with common scalp problems such as dandruff and repairs hair while promoting growth. This product is perfect for daily use and is available in 6 different scents, as well as our seasonal limited special editions. When using this product, we recommend using it on dry hair. You want to give it a good shake before you use it because it is all natural and has organic ingredients in it, so we don't use any binders and fillers. Once you've got a good shake in there, you want to spray it from the roots to the ends, keeping about an arm's distance away to make sure that you saturate the entire surface area.